In the wild, danger often comes without warning. Some predators rely on strength. Others depend on venom. But when a mongoose and a venomous snake cross paths, survival is decided in seconds. Venomous snakes are masters of defense and precision. With raised hoods and lightning-fast strikes, they warn their enemies before attacking. One well-aimed bite can paralyze prey almost instantly. For most animals, this display is enough to turn away. But the mongoose is different. Small in size, yet fearless by nature, it relies on speed, awareness, and experience. Its sharp reflexes allow it to dodge attacks that would end other animals in seconds. As the two face each other, neither is willing to retreat. The snake waits for the perfect moment to strike. The mongoose watches closely, tracking every movement, every breath. One mistake here could mean death. In this silent pause, the tension is overwhelming. Nature holds its breath. Suddenly, the snake strikes. But the mongoose reacts instantly, leaping back with incredible speed. Each failed attack drains the snake's energy, while the mongoose grows more confident. In the wild, survival is not always about strength or venom. Sometimes, intelligence, timing, and lightning-fast reflexes decide the outcome. This is nature's balance, where every second matters.